Hello guys and welcome to Algo Craft. Today we are solving the Leetcode problem number 225. Implement stack using queues. So we have to achieve the nature of queues and we have given a stack. By using stack function we have to achieve the nature of queue. So here the question says that implement a last in first out LIFO stack using only two queues. The implemented stack should support all the functions of a normal stack: push, top, pop, and empty. So we have read the question, then I will show my approach to you and then I will code in front of you. So let's dive into the approach. Okay guys, so we have given this stack and we have said that we have to use queues to achieve the nature of a stack. So the question says that use two queues to achieve this nature. This is our queues. So first let's understand the question what we have to achieve. So if you put an element in stack, let's suppose we have put 10 over here, then you put another element 20, then you put another 30, 40. So if you pop an element from the stack, so first 40 will take on, then 30 will take on, then 20, and then at the last 10. So we have to achieve this nature by using queues. So how we can achieve this nature? Because in queues, what is happening that if you put 10, then 20, then 30, then 40. So if you put this, so first 10 will remove, then 20 will remove, then 30 will remove, and then 40 will be removed. So how we can achieve this nature? By just adding two queues. So my approach is something like this. So first in queues we add 10. Then we have the element 20. This is our main queue. And this is our helper queue. Help. We name it help. So we have the another element 20. So we will transfer this 10 to our helper queue. So this is transferred. 10 is transferred to our helper queue. And we remove 10 from here. Then we add this 20 to the main queue, okay? We remove this 40 and 30 from here and we add this 20 in our main queue and then we add this 10 to our main queue. Okay. So now see carefully, we are achieving the nature of a stack because if you pop from the queue, now 20 will be removed. At the first 10 is removed, but now 20 is removed. So in stack you can see that here is also 20 is removing. So we are achieving the nature of a stack. So now what we will do is we will push another element in the queue. So let's suppose here we push in the stack 30 and we have to push 30 in this queue. So we'll transfer all this element to the helper queue. So we'll transfer this 20 and then we'll transfer this 10. So now main queue is empty and now we'll push our 30 to the main queue. We have pushed our 30. Now we push our 20 and 10 to the main queue from helper queue. So push 20 and 10. So you can see that we are achieving the nature. First 30 will be out. Here also 30 is out. For in here 20 is out. Here also 20 is out. Then at the last we have 10. So 10 will also be popped. Okay, so now let's dive into the code. If I code in front of you, you will understand it more properly. So first we'll make two private queues. I think you know the concept of oops. we'll make private queue of integer. We'll name one queue as a main queue, and we will name another queue as a helper queue. So we just copy it and paste it, and just change its name to main, from main to helper. Now we'll initialize our queues in my function. So main is equals to new queue, main is equals to new linked list I'm just copying it. Okay. Now we will initialize our helper queue. Helper queue is equals to new linked list. Okay. So now we have to push the element. For pushing the element, I have tell you that first we will push 10, and then we will remove this 10 from our helper from our main queue and put it over helper queue. Then we add the element in our main queue. So what we'll do is we will run a while loop that will transfer all the main element to the helper element. So we'll do that main dot size is greater than 0. We'll do helper dot remove. Okay, we add the element in helper which we remove from the main. Now we add our element to the main. So we add our element to the main. So here the element is x. Now we transfer all the elements from helper to our main. Now we have to do while helper dot size is greater than 0. Then we will transfer main dot add helper dot remove. Simple. It's very simple question, guys. It's very simple question. Now what we have to pop, we'll remove the element from main. So we have to do main dot remove. We have to return it. Okay. Now in top, so we'll return main dot pick. Now here this is saying that boolean is empty or not. So we'll do if condition if main dot size is equals to 0. Then we'll return true, else we'll return false. Okay, so now let's run our code. Okay, so our code is perfectly working. Now let's submit. Okay, our code is also submitting. So if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe and comment down below if you have any queries. So thank you.